Imagine a massive asteroid, larger than a stadium, silently moving through space. On April 13, 2029, it will pass closer to Earth than some of our own satellites. Once feared as a potential doomsday object, now declared completely safe. But how did scientists go from panic to absolute certainty? Today, we uncover the mystery of Asteroid Apophis, a real cosmic event explained by real science. Asteroid Apophis, officially known as 99942 Apophis, is a near-Earth asteroid discovered in 2004. It measures roughly 370 meters across, about the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Apophis is made of rocky material and metal and follows an orbit that occasionally brings it close to Earth. Its name comes from ancient Egyptian mythology, Apophis, the god of chaos. When Apophis was first discovered, early calculations showed a small but real chance of impact. At one point, the probability was estimated at 1 in 37. This placed Apophis at level 4 on the Torino impact scale, something extremely rare. If Apophis had hit Earth, the energy released would have been hundreds of megatons, capable of devastating entire regions. As years passed, scientists tracked Apophis using powerful radar systems. With more precise data, its orbit became clearer. In 2013, NASA officially confirmed something remarkable. Apophis would not hit Earth in 2029 or any time within the next 100 years. The threat was gone. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will pass just 31,600 kilometers above Earth. That is closer than geostationary satellites. It will be visible to the naked eye, moving like a bright star across the sky. People across Asia, Africa, and Europe will witness a historic cosmic flyby. Completely safe, yet scientifically priceless. Earth's gravity will slightly affect Apophis, changing its rotation and possibly its surface. This gives scientists a rare opportunity to study how asteroids respond to planetary forces. NASA's OSIRIS-APEX mission will closely observe Apophis after the flyby, helping humanity prepare for future asteroid threats. Apophis is not a threat. It is a reminder that space is dynamic, unpredictable, but not unknowable. With science, observation, and technology, fear turns into understanding. The universe will always hold mysteries, and we will keep solving them, one discovery at a time. If you enjoyed this journey through space and science, like this video, share it with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more real cosmic stories. Comment below, what space mystery should we uncover next?